This is Aitana Lopez, a popular AI influencer who is earning in millions. But do you know, she is not real and was created with AI? She is earning through her virtual images and face cam. In today's episode, we will be creating a realistic AI influencer with the help of AI. So, without any further delay, let's create these beautiful, realistic influencers and make money together. We will create realistic images of influencers using a website called Generate Influencer. This website provides highly realistic images of influencers that look just like real photos. Let's try it out. First, you will need to sign up and log in with your email ID. Once logged in, you can start generating realistic images of influencers that will be perfect for your projects. Let's try it out. Here, we get various models on which we can generate images. There are 2 free models available that don't require any subscription. It is also possible to create your own custom model using your own photos. You can see the Create Custom Model option. Here, just enter the name of your model and then select 13 photos of your female model. Your AI model will be based on these photos. Additionally, there are some private models that require a subscription, but the quality of the images they provide is amazing. First, let's try this free model, then I will take you into the private models. Click on the Generate Photo button. Here, we get 4 options. First is the prompt option, where whatever we type, we will get that type of image. We can customize our influencer with any outfit or background. Second is casual images, which are great for posting on Instagram. Third is bikini and panties, which provide slightly bold images. Lastly, we have the NSFW content option. I will show one example of the third option. After selecting the type, we just need to choose how many images we want. Then, simply click on Generate. The images will be created in seconds. We got our results, and they are amazing. Now, let's try our private model. The private model looks so realistic. We will get images as realistic as this girl. Just click on Generate. Let's go with the first option of the prompt. We will try some prompts now to know the ability of the website. The process is very simple. Just click on the photo type, then select the quantity and enter the prompt of influencer. If you don't have prompts, don't worry, you will find them in the comment section. The process is simple. Once you write a prompt, select Prompt after adjusting the settings. Then, just click on Generate and you will get your images in minutes. The generated images look like real ones. These images are beautiful. Let's take one more example to test this. And if you want prompts of beautiful girls, you can find them on these websites. I will mention some in the description. I found this image and prompt that I liked. We will try to generate a similar image by pasting the same prompt on the website. We will generate 4 images. Here, we have the result, and you can clearly see that the results we got are way more beautiful than the original one. Like this, you can generate quality images with this AI by modifying your prompts. You can generate more realistic and beautiful images. Now, let's quickly try the other remaining options. This type gives casual Instagram-like images to post, which look decent and beautiful for your AI influencer. Look how realistic these AI-generated images are. With these, we are now ready to post them on social media. Let's try this last option. In this one, we will generate bold images. These images take more credits. We got our results. This AI gives the most realistic images. What are your thoughts? Please let me know in the comment section. Although this website is amazing, it has some limitations. It requires credits to generate images, costing 10 cents per credit, which is really worth it. Click the link in the description for an exclusive deal.